Alright, you have a 2-inch well in the backyard. It's underground. Sorry, in the front yard. It's underground. You have iron water here, shallow well. This is where your water softener is draining. It's kind of eroding the ground here. Plus, it's killing all the grass here. If you made a dry well, it would fix that, or run a water line to over here in the field. That wouldn't do that. So this is your water right here. That's the water coming into the house. The water softener has soft water. The softener is functioning and the softener is working, but it doesn't have the right kind of media inside to remove the yellowish tint in the water, which you have iron water here. This tank here is an aeration tank. It's made to remove sulfur, not iron. If this turns on, when this turns on here like this, when this goes down, that turns on, fills this tank up, but this tank is made to take out iron, I'm sorry, sulfur, not iron, and as the water sits here, the water will intensify in iron. This is also tannins, which is why it's a yellowish tint here. The yellowish tinge is supposed to be removed by an iron filter, not a water softener. So you can do, there's a couple things you can do, but one of the main things I want to talk to you about as well is when we go ahead and unplug your pump here. Let the water turn on, clear out. All the iron that's in that tank. Water softeners that are removing the iron or the tannins. So basically what's going to happen is when I cut open your pipes here, you're going to see usually lots of iron inside the pipes, which is not good for your appliances either. So a couple things you can do. You can either get rid of this tank and put an iron filter in and a softener. You can keep this tank, put in a iron slash softener that's going to take out the tannins, iron, and everything all in one. That's an option too. So here I'm cutting open the pipes here. And you can see inside the pipes, you can see got brown and tannins inside the pipes. Now that can be fixed just by sanitizing and cleaning, but the only way that it's going to be prevented is if you get the yellowish tinge, iron, and tannins out of the water. Once you do that, then you can clean the pipes, and the pipes will stay good, and the appliances will last longer. Give me a call back at 239-201-2074.